Good morning, everyone, and happy holidays. Hope everyone's doing great, and you guys are in the spirit of the holidays as we're in full swing here. And I have a really good one to talk about for you. We're going to be talking about double denomination strikes, okay, what it means to you in your searching and collecting endeavors. Okay, this is a really fantastic error. If you don't know what a double denomination strike is, it's real simple. It's simply one coin struck up against another host coin, and they are two different denominations. As you can see from this particular example, this is a Lincoln cent struck over a previously struck dime. So the Roosevelt dime was indeed the host coin before the strike happened with the Lincoln cent impression. Hope I didn't lose you there. Traditionally, these are going to happen in collar, which means the coin will be in the collar when that second strike occurs. How does it all occur? It's kind of hard to say. Maybe an errant dime, one that was already struck, was inadvertently placed into a hopper of, let's say, Lincoln cent blanks, and just in the process of getting these things struck, this particular dime went into the chamber, got struck with the Lincoln cent design, and there you go. You have a really fantastic, phenomenal specimen of an example of a double denomination. Double denomination in that it's a what they call quote-unquote an 11-cent coin, because you have both the dime and the penny all mashed into one. So that's pretty neat. So this would be the front face of the coin, or the obverse. The reverse of this particular coin would look like this. As you can see, you have a really cool mashup of the Lincoln cent reverse. So you have the memorial on there, and you also have the portrait of Roosevelt on there, combining together into this amalgamous type of coin, which only can be known as being fantastic. Okay, if you haven't seen one in person, these things are a mind trip. But this is one such example. Here is another one here for you. Okay, this one is a little bit different. This is what they call a 15-cent double denomination. It's one of the rarer ones. So you have a Jefferson nickel struck onto a Roosevelt dime. The host coin in this case is the dime. Okay, and the way you would figure out which coin is the host is whatever the smallest coin is in there that's being struck would be the host coin. Plus, the details are a lot lighter from the Roosevelt dime, but you could totally tell that it is a Roosevelt dime as the host coin, as the features of the Jefferson nickel are being struck onto the coin. It's a lot more stronger of a devices. You could totally tell that it's a Jefferson nickel. All right, and here is the reverse of said Jefferson nickel over dime. Again, really phenomenal. Okay, you get two coins, two designs of every type, and then you mash them together. Think of it as kind of a error dreams come true, so to speak. So, yeah, this is the reverse of the coin. Okay, and I have one more to show you. This one's really neat because it also involves a penny, but the penny is the host coin in all of this. And here you go. This one is a Jefferson nickel struck onto a Lincoln cent. Really neat because you have the different color planchet of the coin, and when you have the impression of the Jefferson nickel, which was not intended to be a copper or a zinc coin, struck onto the elements of a Lincoln cent host coin, you have a really magical example yet again of a double denomination. This is what they would call a 6-cent coin. Okay, you would have the penny and a nickel put together in a double denomination in 6 cents. All right, all these coins were graded by PCGS. Absolutely stunning examples, which, by the way, and there is a reason why I call this pocket change rarities, is that these are discoverable in pocket change or coin roll hunting. This time of year, a lot of folks are doing coin roll hunting just because of the massive amounts of coinage that come into the bank for the holidays. So, with that being said, price-wise, how much do these go for? Oh, and by the way, here's the reverse of the coin. Again, truly stunning. It's an epic example of what a double denomination should be. Price wise, how much do these go for? Well, that's kind of a interesting question, because these things were selling for upwards of $10,000 or more as recently as about 6-7 years ago, right at the height and boom of numismatics and just coin prices in general. Don't get me wrong, these are really awesome coins. They have come down and retreated in price a little bit, but you can see these coins going anywhere from about $1,000 to as high as about $5,000-6,000. Again, a lot of the modern stuff is going to be toward that lower dollar value. Okay, the older items that you see out there with like wheat cents and mercury dimes, they're a tough rarity, and those type of coins, when it comes to the classic designs, can still fetch 5 figures really easily. So hope you guys say this is just another thing to find in a repertoire of coin roll hunting and pocket change finds. If you come across something that looks oddly strange and familiar with this, please pull it out, send me pictures, throw up some pictures on some of the forum chat pages. You know, we'll get to the bottom of it. These also have been counterfeited. You know, it's just a matter of taking 2 coins and squeezing them together with a vise, and it produces somewhat similar results, but not the same. Okay, because the struck coin would have incuse elements. These are the opposite of that. They stick out at you. So yeah, a pretty nice error. One that is discoverable in pocket change and coin roll hunting. I'd say write me up. Sign me up for that one. So enjoy. You're going to be seeing a lot more stuff coming at you for the holidays. Enjoy. And stay warm out there. It is getting cold, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.